Hello, my name is Addison Spencer, and I'm in Mrs. Kranau's 6th grade math class, and the date is 11/19/2021, and last year in 5th grade we learned about tangrams, which is something made out of 5 triangles, 1 medium, 2 small, and 2 large, and 1 square and 1 parallelogram. And we made turkeys with them, except they were called Geo-Turkeys because we made them with other shapes too. So this year we are doing the same thing, and this is my turkey named Celeste, and she is an artist, as you can see, and this is her story. Have you ever wanted to have a fairy tale of your own? Well, this is Celeste's. Once upon a time there lived a turkey named Nova and her husband Roland. They were part of the royal family of Royan. But late one night, Nova went missing right before her daughter's 13th birthday. Investigators have been on the case for months, but they still have found no trace of Queen Nova. As you can imagine, Roland is devastated, but yet still has to find a new heir to the throne. Next in line is Celeste, but there are some complications. Celeste doesn't want to rule the kingdom, partly because she wants to find her mother, and partly because she wants to be an artist. She was really good at it, and being the queen would limit her art time. Therefore, her cousin Katrine is next in line. But on the day of her coronation, Celeste burst into the room saying she knows where Mother was. She was holding one of her finger paintings in her hand and a riddle in the other. She said that right before her mom went missing, she wrote that being away from the kingdom wouldn't work with all the things she needs to do, but she needed to repay an old friend for something he did for her in the past. But she never had time to do it. So, his guards kidnapped her and took her somewhere. The riddle stated that castles are made of bricks and one of the dungeon bars are made of sticks. If you can find this one in time, you won't have to pay a dime. Roland made the statement that Nova did have a grudge with King Arthur. They all immediately exited the room and drove to Arthur's castle. They ran to the dungeon to find Nova in one of them. Roland withdrew his sword and split the bars in half and rescued his wife. Thankfully, Nova wasn't injured, so she was back on the throne in a matter of minutes. In the end, everybody got what they wanted. Celeste became an artist, Katrine went back to her family and lived a normal life, and Roland got his wife back, and the family lived happily ever after. Thank you for listening. This activity was really fun to do, so I hope you enjoyed.